Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We will presentation about author's point of view and objectivity. Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Andro Putra Darmawan, and this is my friend Al Muhammad Haika Apwan and Dapina Aulia Insani. Next, brainstorming question. Number 1, why do authors write article or news? Number 2, can every article be completely neutral? Number 3, how can readers know the author's opinion? Number 4, what is the difference between fact and opinion? Number 5, why is objectivity important in reading? And the last one, have you ever read a biased article? What made it biased? Next, author's point of view is the author's opinion, belief, feeling, or perspective about a topic. It shows how the author thinks about the issue. Objectivity means presenting information fairly, alertly, and clearly, and based on fact without personal feeling or bias. For example, author's point of view. Online learning is the best method for modern students. The author means the author support on online learning. Objectivity, for example, the school has 102,000 students. It means this is objective because it is factual.
Okay, now I will explain about type of point of view. So these are three main types of view. The first one is the first person of view, of course. It uses words like I, me, we, and our. And the second person point of view is use, you, and your. And the third person of point of view use he, she, and they. This point of view affect and how the text is written and how readers understand it. Into the next one, a type of writing based on objectivity. So the first one is objectivity writing. So objective writing is based on fact and evidence. For example, Indonesia has more than 7,000 islands. And the second one is subjectivity writing. So this writing is based on opinions or feelings. For example, Indonesia is the most beautiful country. So based on source, explain that objectivity statements are factual, while subjectivity statements show personal feelings or opinions. Function of understanding other point of view is like help readers understand the author purpose, identify bias, think critically, distinguish fact from opinion, and help readers evaluate whether information is reliable or not. And the next one is how to identify the author point of view. So uh, these are for several ways to identify the author point of view. The first one, look at the word choice. So strong emotional words like terrible or amazing often show opinion. So the second one is identify facts and opinion. So this one is ask yourself about whether the statement can be proven or is only someone's feeling. For example, like uh, a fact like water boils at 100 Celsius, and or the opinion example like hot weather is annoying. The third one is find the author's purposes. So find the author purposes. Usually, author want to inform that or persuade or entertain reader.
Okay, the fourth is notice bias. Bias means the author strongly supports one side. For example, like fast food destroys people's health. The sentence sounds strongly negative in one side. The fifth is check whether the article shows both sides. Objective writing usually explains different viewpoints fairly. Next is characteristic of objective writing. So characteristic of objective writing, the first is use fact and evidence. We need facts and evidence, of course, for objective. And then natural tone, avoids emotional words, includes reliable sources, and explain both sides fairly. And characteristic, meanwhile, the characteristic of subjective writing, the first is uses personal opinion or argument, emotional language, strong feelings, and one-side arguments, same like argument. So objective is like need a fact and evidence. Meanwhile, the subjective writing is more about the feeling. Here the example text use first point of view, second point of view, and third point of view. In the first text, love on the brain, Ali Hazelwood. In this text use here's my favorite. My, it's a first point of view. And the second text, you have just arrived. In the first sentence, you have just arrived in Morocco and your backpack. You at the second point of view. And then the last text, it used Prince Roden of Ireland awoke early the morning. This is show the author used third point of view because author say the name Prince Roden. He is or she is explain the some character. Use the name Prince Roden, and then it is a third point of view. And here the exercise, you guys can submit and scan the QR here. And then this is we use the reference. And the last one, that's it for our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.